Hey guys, I'm back with another exciting video and it's time to talk about Honor 10 and it's my first video about Honor. The date for the Honor 10 unveiling has finally been set. The new smartphone for the Huawei sub-brand will be revealed on May 15 during an event held in London. Now nothing can stop the rumor and leak as new promotional posters pics leaked out revealing more details about the smartphone. The picture got leaked in the realms of Chinese Weibo. The promotional poster reveals a very distinct and original multi-color pattern on the Honor 10 bag. This may be a sort of heritage from the recently released Huawei P20 and P20 Pro Huawei variant, but it's really not identical, even though it looks stunning to the eyes. The newest leak also matches with the previous Honor 10 leak when the device surfaced with a bulky case cover to hide its details. However, we can clearly see that the dual camera placement and cut on this new leak matches perfectly with the previous pictures. As we notice, both leaks confirm the presence of frontal fingerprint sensor embedded in the home button. The handset is set to feature a 5.8-inch full-view 2160 by 1080p 18:9 display. Also, there is a controversial top-notch housing the camera and sensors. All the power will be driven by the Snapdragon 970 AI chipset, paired with 6 GB of RAM alongside 256GB of internal storage. As previously speculated, the Honor 10 will serve as a smaller brother to the Honor View 10, however it doubles the amount of internal storage. The Honor 10 will be revealed at London on May 15, however the smartphone could appear as earlier as it appears and in China, with the UK event serving only as an official international launch. Now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe this channel for these types of daily amazing tech videos, and I will catch you in the next one. See you soon.